This past Friday, both boys and girls competed against Holly Springs. As the time was winding down in the boys' game, Chandler Craig hit a three to put the boys ahead 49-47 to improve 2-2. They play Center Hill tomorrow for a crosstown county matchup. The girls' soccer team fell short this past Thursday to a solid Saltillo team 2-1, while the boys' soccer team took the win against Saltillo 8-0. This weekend, they both fell short to a talented Madison Central team. They will play again tomorrow at Lafayette. The boys and girls bowling team both finished second for both matches on Wednesday, the boys scoring 3,295 and the girls 2,304. On Saturday, wrestling had their first match at Arlington High School. Joey Fisher and Davin Foyt both won first place for their weight class. Congrats to all 4 signees on the volleyball team. Claire Smith signed with Pearl River Community College. Jordis Newsom signed with Northwest Community College. Khalees Barker signed with Southwest Community College. And Bailey Burchett signed with Mississippi Gulf Coast Community College. The 2024 football season has come to an end after a playoff loss to Tupelo. Thank you, seniors, for all the time you have put into the program. For Patriot Sports Weekly, this is Kara Walker.
Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Ainsley Bright, and this is Patriot Vision for Monday, November 18th. Tonight, you have 2 athletic event opportunities for you to attend. Wrestling has a JV match tonight at Coach Tip Court, and soccer has a home game against Oxford. Career Tech is holding an open house on Thursday, December 5th at the West Campus from 4:30 to 6:30. Automotive, construction, culinary arts, digital media, health sciences, information technology, and welding programs are offered at the West location. Seniors, you need to check your school email for a link to complete the Hall of Fame application. The Hall of Fame is not just for the academically gifted at LHS. Everyone should take some time and fill out the form. Hall of Fame closes December 3rd at 3 p.m. Have you ever wondered about the history of Thanksgiving? Kerrigan researched all about the upcoming holiday.
In 1620, colonists in search for a new world arrived in Plymouth on the Mayflower. A few months into this endeavor, these colonists, commonly known as pilgrims, met a tribesman named Squanto, who taught them how to cultivate corn. Squanto was a member of the Pawtuix tribe who had escaped slavery and returned to his homeland. After their corn harvest proved successful, they organized a feast with the Wampanoag that went on for 3 days. Today we know this celebration as Thanksgiving. In addition to being shadowed by Christmas, however, many Americans, including people of Native American descent, believe that Thanksgiving celebrations mask the true history and oppression that underlies the relationship between European settlers and Native Americans.
Candy grams are being sold tomorrow through Friday before school and during some lunches for $1. They will be delivered after Thanksgiving break. And finally, theater tryouts start this afternoon. If you're interested in auditioning, pick up an audition form outside Miss Taylor's room, C11. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.